Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make a cube to hollow frame in Blender. After starting Blender, we can go to Add Mesh and add the cube and close to it. Make sure that we select the cube and go to Edit Mode. Next, we can right click and we can choose Subdivide to add the edge in the middle. I switch to Edges selection and use Alt Shift to select the edges in the middle and right click, and we can choose Bevel Edges. Move the cursor and click to apply, and then we can open the bevel panel. We can change the width. For example, I use 0.8 in width and click on empty space to apply. Next, we can change to face selection. I select one side of the face and multiple selection to select another side of face, and then right click, and we can choose bridge faces. So we can have the empty space inside the cube. Next, I will use loop cuts at the edge in the middle inside the cube. I change the selection and right click, and we can use bevel edge again and move the cursor, and we can apply the width in 0.8 same as before and click on empty space to apply. And we can go to use face selection to select face on the left and right click and use bridge faces. So we can do the same thing for the right side, and we can do it to the bottom and the top faces. So this is how we can make a cube to hollow frame in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.